I was asked earlier for one of my other videos on Game Boy Advance SP fix on to make a video with the first generation Game Boy Advance. So here it goes. Doesn't seem to work right. Right, started. Make sure that the batteries are okay, that the battery holders here don't have crap on them, from old batteries. Use sandpapers if necessary. So you see it sort of flashes the light a little bit. Alright. Use the tri-wing screwdriver. I use these ones are of metal, but I think that just the cheapest possible screwdrivers, I use them too sometimes. They're red, cost about $2 or so. $1 you can get them for even. Perfectly acceptable. This is a nice black color, I think. The black model is always a bit more popular than the transparent one. And of course a screwdriver to open the screw at the bottom here. I'm gonna be using some rubbing alcohol, also known as isopropanol alcohol. I have a little sandpaper here that basically comes from this one. You can use any sandpaper, I guess. You don't have to have a sandpaper. This is just something I discovered myself. There's probably other ways to do it. Some people replace, desolder this whole thing and put in a new in place. I can only guess that I'm not sure if that is the easiest thing to desolder. Maybe it is. I haven't given it a try. So just putting some on here. I always kind of wonder if you can put other fluids on the sandpaper. So fitting it in there. I'm gonna put on some. I think it kind of broke off there. You can also leave it in here because it's going to be perfectly fine. Kind of depends on how picky you want to be. So we're just going to leave it in here for this for now. Didn't forget anything, did I? Maybe we want to put this one back in place. We could. We don't have to. There it goes. Battery is in. Doesn't even glitch a little bit. Sometimes you find that it kind of glitches and makes a little hiccup when you move this around. So far works perfectly. Well, so that's that. Good luck.